All right, I am installing the Astro ventilation um, ducts in the cowl, and so I cleaned these up. This metal ring here was a little rusty, and I cleaned it up, and I just put a little primer coat on it. Should be just fine. And then I got a seal kit. This is the Astro ventilation seal kit, and these two larger. There's two of them, so two of these will go on the duct. So there's one here and then one there. And then you can go install them. Make sure that they face forward. There's screw holes that easily line up, but make sure you got the right side. The ducts face forward towards the car. That makes sense. All right, let me get set up and we'll continue. All right, it's real easy. So here's just they're identical seals, so it doesn't matter right or left for these seals. And then here's my passenger side. So two holes on the bottom. So it goes like this. So the seal on the back. Just get inserted here. Like that. Simple. Okay. And then I got my screws, 3 screws each. All right, so let me get these in. That pad's pretty thick, so you probably have to push pretty hard to get those screws just to lock in. So let's give that a try. All right, that worked out pretty good. I had to use a little stubby screwdriver. Worst specs, you can get your hands in there and get it done. But nice and snug. I thought the product was pretty cheap, but actually it squeezes in pretty good, nice and tight. So I will do this other side. All right, and this left driver's side, man, it's more harder than it should be. But anyway, so the left side, it's the distance here is too tight, and so this is too thick. So what I did was I painstakingly cut it in half to make it thinner. So what happens when you go and stick it in, there's not enough room right in here. Put it in, and no matter how hard I push, I couldn't get those holes to line up. It would not go. So I was fighting too much. So what I did was I took this and cut it in half lengthwise. So took a razor blade. It was very hard, but got it done. So let's see if that works. All right, that worked. So there's enough space in there for it to squeeze tight. So don't worry if the seal is not thick enough. So it snugged up real nice. So that's what I did. All right.